You don't need to spend a fortune to get a microwave that actually performs well, and today we're proving exactly that. We're counting down the 5 best cheap and budget microwaves of 2026, all without sacrificing speed, capacity, or convenience. All the buy links are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. And if this video helps you out, drop a like, share it with someone shopping on a budget, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1, the best budget microwave you can buy, and this large countertop model has plenty of room to reheat an entire casserole or lasagna. It actually offers more internal capacity than many pricier over-the-range models, making it a great choice if you want a spacious microwave without spending a lot. With 1200 watts of power, it cooks quickly, so you're never waiting long for a hot meal, and it's one of the quietest models we've tested. Though there's no dedicated mute button, you can hold down a specific key for a few seconds to silence it. The controls are fairly basic but easy enough to use, and while the touch panel isn't as responsive as physical buttons, starting simple tasks like reheating leftovers only takes a single press. Fine-tuning power levels takes a few extra button presses, which is a minor inconvenience, but it does include a smart cooking sensor that adjusts time based on steam detection, plus dedicated defrost and quick add buttons for convenience. Moving on to number 2, the best cheap microwave for anyone who doesn't need a massive unit. This medium-sized model still cooks food quickly at 1100 watts, and while it won't fit a full casserole dish, it comfortably handles most bowls, plates, and containers. A bright interior light makes it easy to keep an eye on your food as it cooks, and it's even quieter than our top pick, with an actual mute button included this time. Like most affordable microwaves, it uses a touch panel rather than physical buttons, so starting basic tasks is simple, but choosing a specific time and power level takes a bit more button pressing. It also includes a steam sensor for smarter automatic cooking and a programmable favorite button, along with standard presets like popcorn, potato, and rice. Next up at number 3, the best budget over-the-range microwave, perfect if you want to save valuable counter space. This simple 1000-watt model isn't quite as powerful as some countertop competitors, but it still heats food quickly and runs just as quietly. It also features a wider cooking chamber, making it well suited for larger dishes like lasagnas and casseroles. It skips extras like a steam sensor or mute function, keeping things fairly basic, but the cooktop fan and light both offer adjustable settings, and the interior light makes it easy to check on food through the closed door. You can also disable the turntable when using larger dishes that might not fit the rotation properly, and it comes in several finishes, so you don't have to sacrifice style to save space and money. At number 4, the best compact microwave on our list. Despite its smaller footprint, it still comfortably fit a frozen lasagna without feeling cramped, and the simple, no-frills control panel made programming straightforward, with most results coming out well cooked. It's not the flashiest option, but for reheating leftovers or making popcorn for movie night, it gets the job done. The one inconsistency noted in testing was uneven heating. The edges of dishes cooked hotter than the center, which is a common microwave quirk but was slightly more pronounced here than in other models, and popcorn testing left a fair number of kernels unpopped. And finally, at number 5, the best budget-friendly microwave for anyone who wants simplicity without sacrificing performance. This model comes packed with useful functions, including a quick 30-second add button, variable power settings, and an express cook option, yet despite all those features, it remained incredibly easy to program. Simply punch in your time and go. Performance was a genuine highlight too. Marshmallows caramelized beautifully, and frozen mac and cheese along with lasagna cooked impressively evenly throughout. If you want something user-friendly without unnecessary complexity, this is an easy one to recommend. The only minor drawback was a small amount of unpopped kernels during the popcorn test, though it amounted to barely a tablespoon. And that wraps up our picks for the 5 best cheap and budget microwaves of 2026. Whether you need serious capacity or a compact everyday option, there's a great budget-friendly microwave here for every kitchen. All the buy links for every product mentioned today are right there in the description box, so go ahead and check those out. If this video helped you find your next microwave, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs one, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.